Welcome to the Amped Wireless installation video for the TAP-EX2 high-power touchscreen AC750 Wi-Fi range extender. Before we start, we need to find an optimal location to place your range extender for setup. The range extender should be placed in a location where it can obtain a strong signal from your home router. This is typically somewhere about halfway between your home router and your Wi-Fi dead spot where you receive no usable signal. If the range extender is placed in a location where it can only receive a poor signal from your home router, then the poor signal will be extended, making the extended network slow and unstable. Find a location where you still receive a strong signal from your home router. We recommend a location that you can receive 4 to 5 bars when using your wireless tablet or smartphone to connect to the Wi-Fi router. After you found your optimal location, you'll need to power on the range extender. Let's start by locating the antenna included with the product and attach it to the antenna port on the side of the range extender. Next, plug in the power adapter to the range extender and attach the other end to an available power outlet. The Amped Wireless logo will appear on the screen while the range extender boots up. After a few moments, the dashboard will appear on the screen. This screen provides you with a basic status of the range extender. If this is your first time setting up the extender, the screen will show "No connection." The home or office wireless router that you will be extending is referred to as your home network. The repeated network is referred to as your extended network. Tap Scan to begin the setup process and to begin scanning for your home network that you will be extending. The range extender will detect both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. You can either select a single 2.4 or 5 GHz network, or you can select both if you have a dual-band capable router that you are extending. When the scan is complete, the Select a 2.4 GHz home network screen will appear first. If you would like to only extend the 5 GHz network, tap Skip to bypass this screen. If you wish to extend just the 2.4 or both the 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, you will need to select a network at this screen. When the scan is complete and you see the Select a Home Network screen, check to see that your home network has a signal strength of 70% or greater. If the signal strength from your home network is less than 70%, or you do not see your home network on the list at all, your range extender may be placed too far from your router. Reposition the range extender closer to your home or office router and tap Rescan to scan again. Once your home network shows a signal strength above 70%, select your home network from the list and tap Next. You will then be prompted to enter the security key for your 2.4 GHz home network. If your home network does not require a security key, simply leave this field blank and tap Next. If you don't know the security key for the network you are trying to extend, you will need to tap the back button on the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select a different network to extend. Now you will see the screen for selecting a 5 GHz home network. If you skip the 2.4 GHz screen, or if you would like to extend both a 2.4 and 5 GHz network, you must select a home network to extend at this screen. If you wish to only extend the 2.4 GHz network, you can tap Skip to bypass this screen. Again, make sure that your home network is showing a signal strength of 70% or greater. You will then be prompted to enter the security key for your 5 GHz home network. If your home network does not require a security key, simply leave this field blank and tap Next. If you don't know the security key for the network you are trying to extend, again tap the back button and select a different network to extend. After you've selected your wireless networks and entered the security keys, tap Next. The Extended Network Settings screens allows you to configure settings for your extended networks. You will first see the settings for your 2.4 GHz extended network. The Extended Network SSID is the identification name of your extended network that users will see when connecting to your extended network. This name should not be the same as your home network. If you choose to, you may copy the network ID and security settings from your home network by tapping Clone Settings. The wizard will automatically use your home network ID and add the letters RE to the end of the name so you can identify the extended network from your home network. The security key will also be cloned, matching the exact security key that you currently use for your home network. You can also manually enter a new network ID and security key. The security key will need to be at least 8 characters. Tap Next to save the 2.4 GHz settings and move on to configuring the settings for your 5 GHz extended network. When complete, tap Next to apply the settings for both networks. The range extender will now apply your settings. This process may take up to a minute, so please be patient. Do not power off the extender at this time. If there are any problems with your configuration, the wizard will prompt you of the issue and ask that you rescan for your home network. If you continue having problems, please contact Amped Wireless's Elite Support at 888-573-8820. If your settings are correct, you will now see the summary page with your extended network's details. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your extended networks. Go to your Wi-Fi device's network settings and connect to your new extended network. You may now connect to either the 2.4 or 5 GHz network. The extended network Wi-Fi SSIDs and security keys can be found on the summary screen of the extender. At this time, you may also connect any wired devices such as computers, Blu-ray players, smart TVs, and other devices that need network connectivity using the network ports on the right side of the range extender. Now that your setup is complete, you can explore the additional features of the range extender by tapping on the Settings button. You can access the Settings button from the summary screen or the dashboard. From here, the Settings menu will appear, allowing you to adjust your Wi-Fi settings or management details. Wi-Fi settings will allow you to enable and adjust features like guest Wi-Fi networks and WPS one-touch setup. It will also let you view the devices that are connected to your range extender, set schedules for what times they can connect, and adjust the distance of your extended network's Wi-Fi range. The Management Settings menu is where you can adjust things like your screen settings and when the screen times out after an activity. Here you can set a passcode for touchscreen access, set the date and time of the range extender, manage your USB storage settings, and search for firmware updates that may be available for your device. Should you want to dive into even more detailed settings, you will need to access the Web Setup menu. This can be done with any Wi-Fi device that can access a web browser. To access the menu, simply connect your device to the range extender's Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open your web browser and type http://setup.ampedwireless.com into the web address bar. The web menu supports Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Safari web browsers. If you are using Firefox or any other web browser, please switch to one of the supported web browsers instead and access the menu again. You do not need an internet connection to access the Setup menu. You simply need to be connected to the range extender's network. The menu is served from the range extender directly. If the web menu fails to open, type in this web address instead: 192.168.1.240. If you continue to have problems accessing the menu, disconnect from all Wi-Fi networks and attach an Ethernet cable from the network port on the range extender to a PC. Open your web browser and try accessing http://setup.ampedwireless.com again. If you still cannot access the menu, please call 888-573-8820. For more information on Amped Wireless products, please visit our website at www.ampedwireless.com. Thank you for purchasing the TAP-EX2. We hope that you enjoy your new extended networks.